Hey everyone, it's J-Bob. Today's job, we are doing a very long ass driveway. And when I say long, that I couldn't even walk it. I had to get inside there because I am fat and there's no way I was rolling this thing. This one was just a ridiculous overgrowth. Like when my boss sent me the pictures, he's like, here's the driveway. And I'm like, what f***ing driveway? There's just grass.
Property like this is where I would have brought that little freaking fire pit thing I was talking about. Real shit. This is f***ing long.
Yeah.
Like I gotta cut all this all the way to f***ing up there. Fuck my light bulb.
Yeah.
So, didn't tell me how long it was. And then when I got there, I kind of pooped my pants. Like literally almost pooped my pants. Because this thing was like long. It's, shit, probably almost like 5 kilometers of driveway. And like if the guy couldn't put his property any further. Like it was literally almost to the back of the river. So, like I said, when I get to the properties, I always walk it, see what I'm facing. This, like I said again too, so long, I could not walk it. I tried walking it, and then I got pissed off. And I said, we're taking the machine. So drove it down with the machine, seeing what I was dealing with, and I'm like, oh my god, like who would have such a long driveway like this? And again too, it was all overgrowth. Like you could barely see it. Like everything was just covered. So I had to skim it all off with the smooth bucket. I'm like, oh my god, this is gonna take forever. Like literally, I had to go peel off the top layer because the growth was so much. The reason why the growth was is that where your tires are, that's where it's driving. And when the material would get oversaturated, it pushes up. So it's like in the wintertime when you're driving on the road, you have that slush pile right in the middle. So that's how it was with the grass. So eventually I started cutting it out, and I'm like, man, this is gonna take forever just to cut it out. It's gonna take me all day just to cut it out. So then I played around with it for a little bit, and then I said, screw it, I'm gonna try it with the soil conditioner. So I attached my soil conditioner, and it started working. So it did save me a lot of time, because what I did end up doing is just kept going back and forth, chewing up the material, and then once I got most of the chunks, I would push it off to the side, because what he wanted was just, they were just gonna push it off to the side of the road and just let it decompose and whatever. So thankfully I did that, because that saved me so much time, because I was just like, man, it did take a long time just doing it with the soil conditioner, but like again, it was quicker than doing it with the bucket. And then the end result after that, like the driveway it looked amazing, because it was just like you could see it, and it's just so amazing what that soil conditioner could do. And because of it being such a long driveway, and we don't have a water truck, or there was no water on that property, we just did a dry pack with the roller packer. That one, you don't have to use your little hand packer, because it was wide open. You can go into the edges. So that's what we use for that one.
What was it? When I found out like fall had like tripe and stuff like that, which is like cow intestines and stuff like that.
Yeah, but you don't have to get it with if you don't like it.
I literally do get it though.
Yeah.
But it's just like you didn't ever know until you try it.
Yeah.
That's why I don't like when people tell me and stuff. It's just like, oh, just let me taste it. Don't fucking tell me what it is.
Yeah, just eat it first.
Let me Because what was it? One time I tried, like, yeah, when I was younger, I fucking tried squid, didn't know what it was. Man, this shit looks good.
Yeah.
Not like it's squid, but...
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. Wanna go in? Yeah, she literally just said that and I just walked her outside on Snapchat.
Damn.
I'm not even
You're ice cold, bruh.
I'm not kidding. I literally just walked her.
Yeah. I like how you're not even like, yeah, no, that's a deal breaker for me. You just cut it.
Like, no, I was just literally, there's no point of talking to you.
Oh shit.
Like,
damn.
that is enough.
I mean, that's true though, yeah. But damn, bruh.
Literally, you did like fried rice. There's nothing gross about it.
Like literally any. Yeah.
That makes me sick. You.
And the customer, like, I sent them the pictures after, because they weren't there. Sent them, he's like, he couldn't believe it. He couldn't believe that I turned all that overgrowth into that driveway, because it was just like, you couldn't even tell. So that customer was super happy, and I never want to do a driveway like that again.